how to prevent insulin therapy if you're diabetic. I don't think any diabetic wants to be injecting themselves. If you're already doing that, I just want to say that be encouraged. There's still a lot you can do to make sure that you live long and healthy even if you are on insulin. Now, the reason why many times people are put on insulin is because the pancreas has stopped producing insulin, and so you need the external insulin to be put in your system. One of the main reasons is that people don't detect diabetes early. We're walking around feeling all right. With chronic diseases, you don't feel unwell until there's a major problem. So my advice has always been, check your hypertension, check your blood pressure, and check your sugar even if you're feeling well, just to know where it is, so that if we detect that there is anything going wrong, you can start managing it early. So having high blood sugar in your system for a long time really progresses and starts to damage your pancreas and starts to damage things in your body. And that's why at some point no medication would work, but only insulin. So I advise that prevent it by checking early. The other thing is you may have been diagnosed with diabetes, but you are not taking your medication so well because it's not fun. We agree with you and we feel your pain, but you do need to take your medication and find ways to make it easier to take it every day. At our pharmacy, our pharmacist works with you to try to reduce the number of medications you're taking. If you're taking any medications that has side effects, we try to switch out your medications so that you don't have those side effects. So basically, to be able to prevent being on insulin or prevent your body being experiencing high blood pressure for a long time or high sugar for a long time that is not being taken care of, the main advice is to live healthy, isn't it? So to eat better, one of the things I'm doing now with my clients is introducing what I call a detox package with them. And this is supposed to detoxify their liver and just wash, and give them a boost and start over where they can start living and eating healthy. That's really the best. And it may seem like it's not something that you can do, but trust me, you can do it. With the right support, you can do it. So determined to live a long time, as our motto goes, longevity and good health. That's what we're really aiming for all our clients, and we believe that if we work together, we can live long and healthy for a long time.